Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the gateway, unplug the power cord and the coax cable, and wait 15 seconds. This clears transient faults. Once done, reconnect coax first so the modem can sense the line, then plug in power. You do this because the device runs an initialization sequence that needs correct line detection. If the orange blink was a startup fault, this often forces a clean boot. Make sure LED behavior changes within a minute. If not, proceed to the next diagnostic steps. Now you log into the gateway status page or use the Xfinity app to read downstream and upstream lock states. Those tell you whether the modem can see the network. Next, swap the coax cable and temporarily remove splitters. Splitters often degrade signal and cause provisioning failures. Run the app diagnostic. It will report provisioning or line errors. You do this to isolate wiring versus service issues. If diagnostics show no lock or repeated errors, the problem is likely line-related or provisioning. Finally, you attempt reprovisioning. Request a remote reboot or reprovision through the Xfinity app or support chat. This forces the network to reauthorize the device. If the orange blinking remains after reprovision, gather the modem's MAC, serial number, and any error codes, then schedule a technician. Service-side signal or hardware failure is common. One key troubleshooting tip: test a known good gateway on your line if available. That quickly tells you whether the issue is your box.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.